Hi guys, hope you guys are doing good. So we can wait for a few more minutes because many other friends want to be joined in the session. So currently we can start within 1 minute. So as we expected, there is an I kind of new all-time high happened in Nifty 50, and initially we expected that Nifty new all-time high will happen on 20th November 2025. Instead of that, there is an a kind of market little bit go down and again currently created a new all-time high at 26261. So I think many of the guys are want to know which stocks we want to invest and which stocks we are planning to add in watch list. So currently today we will explain which are the stocks we are planning to add, and second, what are the things we are expecting in coming week, and also one more thing, how we are selecting stocks and how our portfolios are performing as of now. So I will we will explain all these things in this live session. Those who want, want to know more about our performance and things, they can just directly go to live long well smart small case, and you can just sign up on it. Okay, so first of all, I will explain how we are expecting on coming week. So currently, we are expecting a market, a major week. While looking at performance on last month, we can see that Reliance, TCS, and Infosys, everybody performed very good in last 1 month. Okay, then we are expecting in coming days also it will go good, but still we are expecting there is a kind of pullback will happen. It will come up to 25,700. There is a chance 700 and in between 800. And also if it is go next, I will explaining about support and resistance we are expecting. So in we are expecting an support on 26 25 700 range, 700 and 800, in between that we only say about the zones, not an exact point. And also we are expecting a resistance on at 26 800 levels. So what we are expecting, kind of a bullish trend, because already we know that government of India already changed the tax slabs things, so there will be more cash flow in market. And also many of repo rate also decreased, so that monetary policy change will more loan will be come happens, and it will help us to get more cash flow in market. So like that, if everything from the government side it's also getting positive, so we are expecting a kind of heavy movement in Nifty in coming days. So I will explain how we are selecting the stock next. So you already know that we have a three-step methodology. Those who are coming first, so I will explain how we are selecting the stock. First, we will go for long build-up of any stock. I think you everybody know about what is long build-up, and then we will go for the second step, seasonality, and third step, we will go for the technical analysis of each stocks. So while considering all this, so we will add that stock in the watch list on Friday evening, and we will set the exit entry and target one and target two of each and every stock which we added in watch list. So then we will check the levels at Monday or next coming trading day, and we will, if it is triggered, we will go for the entry. So first of all, I will show that currently we already shortlisted five stocks, BBL, SRF, Kalyan Jewellers, M&M, and Adani Green in our portfolio. And I will show with an example of VBL. Okay, so while checking seasonality of VBL, so I think everybody know about seasonality. So I will explain briefly about what is seasonality. Seasonality is a kind of so every sector having a season. For example, in Diwali sector, we know that FMCG will go up, and also crackers related, sweet related, textile related, every sector. I mean, and also gold related. So all these sectors will boom because of there will be more. I mean, consumption or more sell. I mean, sales will happen at that time. So that will impact very positively for that sector. So like that, I mean, industry has a season. So with respect to that, that market will go up and down. So with respect to our methodology, with respect to seasonality, you all know that. So while checking VBL things, VBL though there is a seasonality at coming days. We already know this is November last. December we can expect in an average 4.5 percentage by up. I mean, by looking seasonality, it's in a slight good. I mean, good one. So with respect to that, one second. So with respect to that, we can shortlist VPL based on seasonality. Seasonality to VPL by looking VPL. Okay, in coming 3 months, we can see that 4.5 percentage up by in December, and January though it's in a slight red, and comparing February it's 2.45. While considering in an average, it is up by 6.5 percentage. Okay, so we can now just check what is happening the technical analysis of VBL. Okay, so you can already see that we entered BPL in 2 times in last 1 year by in sync trading. So in sync trading, initially we added on 30th December in that time. So in single within 2 to 3 days, we all yeah, within 3 days we already got our target and we exited. Okay, after that it went down, and also we ended on 2nd 4th July, and also within 10 days you already can see what's the percentage we booked. We are, I mean, currently we initially planned with an SL of 6.21 and a target of 14.593. Okay, so within 10 trading days, I mean 10, yeah, it's almost 10 trading days, we exited that stock with and a profit of 14.5 percentage. So many of the guys will ask, so how you guys are setting? So while setting SL and target of a stock, if in a stock it's in between the zones, so we will set based only based on support and resistance. So while setting the target, I mean, support and resistance of the stock, first we will go for at least 3.1 to touch on the support zone, and to may mark in a support zone. Okay, so you guys can see that here we can see more than 4 or 5 points there is for marking resistance zone. Okay, so we can mark this as a kind of resistance zone. Okay, while considering SL also, while consider SL, normally we will look at line graph, and also we will consider the candles also. So with respect to that, while considering 50 weeks low on February 28th, this is the for 423.90, I think, yeah, 418 is the SL points. So with respect to that, we marked our SL and target. Okay, so currently we booked I mean, profit of 14.593 on last setup. So currently you can see that we already have a kind of it already break down one of the support zone. I mean, a resistance zone, and there is a support zone at 451 and 422. Okay, so we can just draw the risk reward here. So currently we can see that if you are going for the entry, we will get risk reward at 1.72. So that's pretty good. So we can add Varun Beverage our watch list. And also those who are still an issue and kind of feel like it's not so we already draw the next support level also at 422 level. So we are expecting, those who are expecting I mean kind of if it go down or something like that, what we will prefer that you can deploy 5% of the capital initially, and you can wait for the next support to reach the next support or resistance zone. At that time you can add more capital on that. Okay, so like that we are every time we will add the stock, so we can add Varun beverages in our watch list. So second stocks, while checking next stock, SRF is a pretty good one. So we previously also SRF also we entered. Let me check first. We can check seasonality. Seasonality though it's showing that it's in December it's 1.65, and January it's showing there 1.09. February it's in a slight negative, and March and April also it's good. But comparatively, the values on December and January it's only showing 2.65 in average. So still it's not in a negative, but still it's not that much positive also. So we can go for technical analysis. So we can already see that first we can draw the support and resistance on. For that we will go for the line graphs first. So here you can see that in this region we can see two or three touch points. So we can draw that touch points, I mean support resistance zones. Okay. Uh, Chakrik, so how to know it is an 15 weeks low? It's a 52 weeks low, I'm saying. Okay, not 15, 52 weeks low. 52 weeks low means in last, while considering last 1 year performance, it's maximum low. It's you can see in every chart. I mean, in while taking the broker itself, you can see that which is the 50-week low, which is the 52-week high. Everything, every data you can available, and also in screen also it's available, and also I think in almost every platform it's available. So this is the one of the support zone we can see. So next one we want to draw an resistance zone. So we can see that this zone we can consider as a support or resistance zone, right? And also here also we can see various touch points. So initially we can consider this as an okay, consider this as a support zone. I mean resistance zones. Okay, and we can mark all-time high as an I mean it's a, this is the all-time high as an target two also. Okay, now we can change to candles. So person to person technical analysis will change. Okay, for example, my personal, I mean, technical analysis will be different from yours, and probably it will varies from Heidi's also. So person to person technical analysis will change. Okay, so while considering today's performance and thing, you can see that this is not the exact point for the good entry, because we didn't get that much risk reward in this one. Okay, while considering first target, so it's 0. 0.9, it's actually low. So in this one we can consider this one as a kind of best level. Okay, well so it will also deliver 2.59 also, and max drawdown will be 2.735. So still, I don't think so SRF will be in a good entry for right now. So next stock we can analyze, that's Kalyan Jewelers. So Kalyan Jewelers was performing very good in last 1 year things. So we already booked, I think, more than 31% on Kalyan Jewelers previously. Yeah, you can see that 28% we booked in Kalyan Jewelers. So how we, so I will explain how we are handling this kind of situation. Okay, first of all, this is the target one. Okay, and considering target one, we will exit 50% of the quantity in target one, and we will trail the SL to cost at that time. Okay, with respect to the movement, we will again and again trail the SLs. Okay, so right now you can see that we will exited first 50 percentage quantity here, and remaining we exited on this point. Okay, so you can see that first target got hit at here, and on 8th August we exited all the stocks at the 57.55% in 55. So I will show the data. If anyone have any confusion regarding this, if I will explain how we did this one, and we already have everything, every data available on small case rebalance and things, you will get the things. So you can currently see that which are the stocks we are holding. So here you can see in live long alpha model, not alpha model, live long smart beta, though you can see what are the stocks we are currently holding. So in there you can see Cummins India we are holding. So and also Max Healthcare, Narayana Hrudayalaya, Titan we are holding 11.19 percentage. So TVS, Escorts, and Nifty 50, Bharat Forge, Adani Energy Solution. Currently we are holding more than 13 stocks, I think 13 or 14 stocks. And also you can see that which are the stocks we are recently added and exited. Okay, Bharat Forge is the recent one we added, and Max Healthcare also. And also you can see that Indian Bank, we exited. I mean, I will show Indian Bank performance. So Indian Bank is a good example for how we are trailing the SLs. Okay, so Indian Bank we started from 613, and you can see that I will explain how we are entering and exiting a stock. Okay, first we will mark the target and target and SL. Then if it SL, I mean target got hit, we will exit 50% of the quantity. Then we will trail the SLs. You can see here that by trailing SLs we exited at 39.29% or something. You can check the with the date. So we exited on 22 November. Yeah, sorry, rebalance report is on 22, then it will be 24th. 24th we exited. Okay, 24th we exited at 850. So we almost got 39 percentage on Indian Bank. So that's a performance we got. So initially, I mean, half the quantity we booked at only 13 percentage, and remaining 50 we got at 40 percentage. So in between, in an average, we got more than 26 percentage in profit from single stock. We allocated almost 12% of the capital on Indian Bank. So with respect to that, it's almost we got at 3 to 4, in between 3 to 4 percentage of capital appreciation, of total capital appreciation. Okay, so that's the thing. And I will show another one. I'm in National Aluminium and Tata Steel. If anybody have any doubt, you can directly ask. Okay. So national aluminum, actually this is a second target. This was the first target. Okay, so we exited at this point. Okay, so we almost, you can check with the data if you have any doubts. I will, if you want any data also, I will provide. We booked at 10 percentage in profit. So this was our exact entry we got. Okay, you can see the drawing. This is on a second entry I suggested for in the same live. You can check the data. Okay, and then third one, third stock we exited, Tata Steel. Yeah, you can see here. Tata Steel, though, first target got hit at 13.82 percentage. Second target you can see at 22th, 24th. You can see this was the line we exited. Okay, so in first target we exited at 13.82, and second target was at 2.8 percentage. That means in an average we got 7.5 percentage. Okay, almost every stock we deploying in between 10 to 12 percentage. Okay, here you can see that maximum allocation in one stock will be 25 percentage, and also while considering ETF it will be 30 percentage. I already shown several times that how we are creating in a portfolio. Right now you can see the video in YouTube also. I will share that, I mean, not YouTube, Instagram also. I will share that link with you guys. So how was the target decided for Tata Steel? So one second. So you guys can see that this is the 184 was the all-time high, right? With respect that only we added the first target. Okay, in that level only we exited. Okay, at that day all-time high was at one second, this one. And also you always, you can see that while going and a stock going all-time high, there will be an a, so what you guys, I mean, you guys can comment that how you guys are dealing with when a stock touch all-time high or 50-week high, how you guys are entering and exiting. If you are, for example, if you are holding at I mean an stock with a 20% profit and it went to 52-week high, how you guys are handling that situation, whether you will exit the stock or you will add more, or you guys will half quantity will sort of like that, how you guys are handling that situation. Anyway, you can comment. So I shared the link how we are creating in a portfolio, how we are doing that portfolio. So you guys will exit. I mean, Rubesh saying that he will exit, and any other opinion you have. So I shared a link with you that I mean how we are creating in a portfolio. It will, I mean, it will help you how to create in a portfolio and how live long wealth is creating in a portfolio. You guys can see and comment on that. Okay. So we don't want to lose the time. So Rubesh saying that Rubesh will exit. So I will show an example. Okay. So you can see that Acer Motors. So Acer Motors we planned with we ended at almost in the day of 20th August. Okay. Our target got hit within 10 days of trading. Okay, trading days. Okay. In between that you guys can see what was the movement within by breaking, this is the all-time high. After breaking this, within 10 to 20 trading days it almost clocked 19 percentage. Okay, so there is an, while breaking all-time high there is more chance to go and a kind of additional 2 to 3, I mean 5 to 7 percentage. Okay, why? Because there is no support zone, I mean resistance zone. Okay, there is no resistance zones nearby, and you guys don't want to, I mean there is no with respect to that, I mean there is a more freedom to move. Okay, and also it will touch new all-time high and things. So while entering in a stock at 52 week high, it's a good, I mean it's a you can, you guys can set the minimal SL and you guys can enter. Okay, just try out that. I will explain another situation. BSC was the one of the stock we clocked the maximum highest performance. Okay, so this was our entry, I mean 2024 August or something. Yeah, this was our entry. We almost clocked 81 percentage. Okay, we clocked 81 percentage by breaking all-time high. How many trading days we got? Within 150 trading days, we clocked all-time, I mean almost 80%, 126 trading days. That means in between 4 to 5 months, we clocked that much. Okay, so and in between that, first, I mean we got a kind of initial, first we will exit 50% nearby here or something, and we exited 2.5% or something here, and remaining only we hold till, I mean here, I mean remaining we only hold till 1998. Okay, so we almost get 80 percentage on BSC. So that's another example. Next, silver I will explain. So those who are planning to invest more on silver and things, I mean metals, you guys can take this also. So first we compared with international market, then only we get ended. I mean silver, Nippon India silver bees also we consider. So by breaking this point, you guys can see that we only targeted 11.37 percentage. Within 10 trading days we got that. After that, you guys can check. So anybody have any doubts? We are just saying or drawing like this. I will show my own portfolio. Okay, so it went up to 60 to 62 percentage. Okay, 60, it went up to 62 percentage, and but we couldn't book that much. We only got 42 percentage. Okay, and also gold also you can see. So gold, and those who are, I mean if there anybody subscribed our small case here, I will share the link. If anybody subscribed our small case, uh, those guys can easily explain what happened, what we did in between. Okay, so what's the performance we got and how long we are holding gold and things. So while creating in a portfolio, we have four rules, okay, thumb rules like. So first, we will always keep that maximum allocation in one sector will be 40 percentage. Maximum allocation in one stock or ETF will be 25 or 30 percentage. Third rule, every time we will hedge our portfolio with metal stocks using 10 percentage, and also every time we will try to keep max SL will be less than 10 percentage on each stocks. And also we have also tried to, I mean every time we can't do that, we will add the sectors like negatively correlated sectors. Anybody know about that? What is negatively correlated sectors? So negatively correlated sectors means while, for example, an event happened, for example banking sectors and defense sectors, we can say that they are negatively correlated. While, for example, I mean a war anything happened, okay, defense sectors will boom. In India Pak issue, in between India Pak issue, there every defense stocks went up to 20 to 26, 20, 30 percentage in between, right? So at that time banking stocks went down. And also medical sectors and banking sectors. That's also negatively correlated. What's the advantage of keeping these two sectors at a time in our portfolio? While going one sector going down at that time, another sector will perform. So our portfolio will be always balanced. Okay, and also that stocks breakout also we will give good return because we are keeping proper SL and trailed SLs. Okay, so like that we are handling our stocks. Okay, you can see that how our small case portfolios are performing. Small case portfolios are a kind of basket of stocks. Okay, you can see what's our performance and things. So you can see that those who are invested 100 rupees on June 13th, 2022, that means before 3 years, if you invested 100 rupees on this portfolio, it will be 280 rupees. Okay, 280 rupees per, that means 180 percentage capital appreciation. At the same time, if you invested any equity large cap, that means Nifty 100 portfolio, it will be 67 percentage up. That means we outperformed Nifty by 113 percentage. Okay, we outperformed Nifty 100 by 113 percentage within 3 year time. Those who have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, so that's a performance. Here you can see what we are doing. This is a Nifty 250 portfolio. That means we will add large cap and mid cap stocks. Okay, here we are saying that 18 to 12 weeks. That means 2 to 3 months we will hold the each and every stocks. If it is hitting target or SL, we will exit. Okay, and also if we are trail results also happened, we didn't exit. Okay, and also you can see that we are always hedged the portfolio with gold or metal stocks. So previously in last January, you can see that last January what happened in Nifty. Last January, though, I mean, you can see that market went down. Okay, almost 10 to 12 percentage. Okay, at that time we added almost 13 percentage of the capital in gold and remaining in metal bees, I mean gold bees and Bajaj Finance. And also we added on debt funds also. We added 30% on gold bees, remaining on debt funds. Debt funds we will give I mean interest rate, proper interest in between 5 to 6 percentage. And almost gold we got with 29.489 percentage. You guys can see in April, I mean May, we got that much percentage. So performance though, that's why we are one of the most performing portfolio in India. Okay, those who anybody want to subscribe to this portfolio, you guys can use this link. Also, I will provide a coupon, additional discount coupon with you guys. I will give 30 percentage off. So you guys can use max 30 as a code, and you guys can subscribe. Okay, and also those who have any doubts, you guys can connect with us, our team. That link also I will provide. Okay. So that you guys can directly connect with us. Okay, I will provide the link in last. So that's it. I explained how we are creating a portfolio and everything. So next again we are back to stock analysis. So Kalyan Jewelers I already said. Next M&M. While considering M&M, So seasonality wise it's negative, coming quarter it will be it's showing that negative. But still you guys can check last 3 years performance on the in that months, I mean that month. So in November and December it's showing that slight positive, still it's negative. So next stock, Adani Green. Adani Green seasonality, so we can check Adani Green. So we are already holding Adani Energy Solutions and Enterprises. So Adani, while checking Adani Green also, it's showing negative. Okay. So while considering last time in December, though it's positive, January it's positive, but February it's in a huge negative. So still we can consider Adani Green and we can draw the lines. What's the performance on Adani Green? So Adani Green, though we can first draw the support and resistance on. So you guys can see that in this zone there is a good support on this region first. Okay, we can consider as a 994 as a proper support. We can take some buffer zones also. We can take this one as a buffer zone also in between this point. And also first target we can mark it as a 1 1 this region, 1143. So it's delivering almost 2.17. It's good actually, but comparatively currently we are analyzed, how many stocks we analyzed? Five stocks. So which one is performing good? VBL, SRF, Kalyan Jewellers, M&M. So M&M is negative. Kalyan Jewellers, SRF, VBL. Which one is we are getting? So we can compare. So you guys can see Kalyan Jewellers. So while we already drawn in this one 463, while taking 460 as a first SL. 2.24 risk reward is getting 18% in profit, while exiting SL is 8.281. So Kalyan Jewellers is a giving good one, and we can check again in the seasonality of Kalyan Jewellers. Kalyan Jewellers delivering good profit at December, but January is negative in all time. Okay, it's delivering negative on coming quarter, January, February, March, but December is, you can see that, very good actually. So those who want to enter, you guys can enter on Kalyan Jewelers, and also first of all you guys can add on your watch list, and then with respect to your zones and things you can add. So with respect to us, Kalyan Jewelers is fine. So and we will analyze the things with respect to that. So if anybody have any doubts, you guys can ask now. And SRF VBL also we can check once again. SRF VBL we already drawn that. I mean, but still we are preferring that this is the best zone. 280, 2854 is the best entry. BBL though. So VBL also it's good actually if you are keeping the proper SL and things. But I will suggest you can entry 5% initially. If it is correcting, you can add second entry at 451, and you can keep the 422 as an SL points. Okay, like that you can entry and make target one as 525 and remaining you can trade. Okay, because it was consolidating for a long period. So if it is giving good breakout, it will be and it will you will get a good breakout. Okay, so if anybody have any doubts, you guys can ask. So can we access the Live Long Wealth platform? Is this the internal platform? Yeah, you guys can access. I will share the link with you guys. So you will get 1 month free access. I mean, 1 week free access on this one. Okay, and if you are, we are not promoting this platform that much. I mean, not like that. We are not selling this one. So you guys can use multiple using multiple email ID also. You can access this one. Okay, so it's delivering. It's giving. You guys can see all the data here, seasonality tool also. Many of the guys will ask where we will get the seasonality data. You will get at money control also. You guys can check in money control also, but there is no platform giving all this data in this much simple way. Okay, those who want to subscribe, you guys can subscribe. Okay, and also live long with small case also, you guys can subscribe. For that I will provide a link with you guys. I mean, if you have any doubts, our team is ready to assist you. If you guys have any doubts, you guys can chat with me directly. Okay, using this link. I shared the link. So you guys can see Abhishek Strach 5212 is my personal one, and Live Long Care Life companies one. I am going live through that one. Okay. So I think anybody have any doubt, you guys can ask right now. Otherwise, we can wind up. Hope I think almost we covered all the portion I mean initially offered. So those who have any doubts, you guys can ask, and also those who want the data here, like which are the stocks we are holding and what are the. So you guys can see here that I will explain. We will explain while adding in a stock. We will explain how we are adding the stocks, what are the levels and everything. And also those who want to study purpose also, you can subscribe to Live Long Wealth Small Case. Uh, and also majorly performance wise, so you can see in last 1 year data though, those who have made we performed 22% in last 1 year. Okay, another guys, I mean Brevi asked that can you do the technical analysis of gains? 1 second. Okay, BDV. Okay, then you can see that one of our portfolio performed more than 26 percentage. So this is a portfolio completely based on AI. Okay, you live long evergreen asset allocator. So with respect to that, you guys can read here that how we are doing. We will adjusting Nifty Bs and Gold Bs or any metal stocks. Okay. So previously, while writing this one, it was average age was 17%. Right now, it increased to 19.24. Last 1 year alone, it performed 26%. Okay, it's in performance, so it is in top notch. So you are asking, and we can go to gain stack. So gain stack, so first we can go for seasonality. Gains coming months, you can see first month it's very good actually, but comparing the second months, it's negative. I mean, while considering as a quarter, it's overall is in a negative, but still December month is performing good. And while going to technical analysis, oh, it's we already draw that, but our I think target, no. We didn't enter, I think. Yeah, I think target got it. And we got the entry from here. So I'd say that it's almost a neck point. You can, if you are holding that, you can take this one. I mean, as an SL point. Okay, this I mean 5311, or else you can consider 5490 also as an L level. So you can exit first, then first quantity here and remaining here. Okay, but still you can see that it's on support zone with respect to us, but you can take in a buffer till here. Still, I will say, if you are holding good big quantity, 5311 you can take. Okay. Yeah, I mean, Umar Hashid asked that Livlong has an algo integration for our your fortress. Yeah, we have. You guys can consider. I mean, you can just message to this WhatsApp number. I shared in a WhatsApp number, right? You can just text on that, and team will assist you on tomorrow. Okay. Then next one would be the level for the fresh buy long term. So I already said that we have a setup for fresh buys. Okay, first we will go for the long build up. Okay, then we will go for the seasonality. Third one, we will go for technical. So that's an entry for our sync trading. But oh, you are asking about long term. Long term, though, still I want to. If you are going for the long term, first you want to check the fundamentals. So normally we are only currently we are doing the sync trading setups. Those, if you have any doubts, you can just text. I mean, I will. Our team will analyze for the thing, and we will check the long build. I mean, long term. Feasibility and things. Okay, and the team will assist you. You can guys can just a message to number I shared, and we will assist you for that. Any other doubts you guys have? Okay, anyway, thank you for your support. Also, thank you. So right now we can wind up. Thank you. Have a nice day.